Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in this video I'm going to tell you how can you take accurately 80 to 90% confirmed trades. Now I took my trade here with this candlestick. So what does it mean? It means that after this breakout you can see we are seeing a retracement candles. So therefore I took my trade here. So this is a complete breakout strategy. So now you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so I want to tell you here I took my trade in this zone also. Why? You can see market movement was in a downwards, so market went up again. Let me draw it properly. Again it came down, again made this candle. So what does it mean? It is a continuation of W pattern or double bottom. So therefore the next candle went up and here we won our trade. So you need to analyze these things accurately. Now if I analyze the market here again, what I am seeing is very simple, that this candle is a spinning top and a sign of continuation in an upwards move, but I cannot go ahead with the buyers with this candle. Why? Because this candle is a new low candle, so therefore I cannot trust this one. So here I can go here with the buyers. So I took my trade here in an upwards direction. Why? You can see here sellers are here, and this candle made a new high. This is a strong candle. So what does it mean? It means that the next candle will continue the market and it will not come back until it break the level. So therefore I took my trade. Now if I want to show you the areas, now you can see market crossed, sellers entered. Now still I'm waiting for this same move, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction. So market is not crossing the level right now, so it has to go up. Now you can see, okay, I got an ATM. Okay, because of my entry point I won my trade. Okay, so let's see what will be the next candle. So here I can go easily with the sellers. So here I took my trade in a downwards. Why? Let me show you why I took my trade here. You can see again what kind of pattern I am seeing here is a double top pattern, and the next level is here, and still there is a gap to the level. So therefore this candle will go down from this point. So let's see what happens here. Market has to come down again. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now again I can go here with the buyers. Why? Because okay, so now I took my trade in an up direction. Why? Because this is an engulfing candle and it engulfed the sellers totally, but in this zone you can see sellers were a bit stronger, but in this area they are much weaker. So therefore I took my trade and the market will go up from this point. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so here we won our trade. Now can I go here with the sellers? Yes, I will definitely go here with the sellers. Why? Because I am seeing here a pattern which is called head and shoulder pattern. So now let me show you. This is a head and shoulder pattern. So now after this area we are seeing is strong seller's entry and engulfing candlestick with new low, so therefore I took my trade here. And I also missed this trade because this was a confirmation for the head and shoulder pattern. So because of this we are winning our trade. Okay, now you can see I won my trade here also. Now let me try to take another trade. Okay, so here I can go. No, I cannot go here. Okay, I can go here with the sellers. Yes, I can go here with the sellers. Why? Because you can see that overall trend is a downtrend. My entry point is late, but let me show you one thing. The market movement is like this here. From this point you are seeing a lower low, so here I can again expect a lower low. So in this zone these levels will not work. Okay, so therefore I took my trade in a down direction and we will win this trade for sure. Okay, so let me analyze another market here. Okay, so in this zone what I'm seeing here, okay, let me draw a line. Okay, so I'm not seeing any buyers entry in this zone, so therefore I'm not going to take my trade in with the buyers. So let's analyze the market here. Okay, this is the level. Okay, this is the next level. So what I need to see is very simple. After, let's see what happens. For me the candle will close as a bearish. Okay, I can again go here with the sellers. So I took my trade here in a down direction. Why? Because this candle made a new low, and on the left side I'm not seeing a level here right now. The next level is here. The next level is here. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so this is a confirmed trade and I am not seeing any kind of buyers activity in this zone. Yes, there is no buyers in this area, so I am secure and I am confident that the next candle will definitely go down and we will win our trade for sure. Now you can see it will get a rejection again and it will come down again. Okay, so I got an ATM here. So this was a small OTC session. So let me show you here. I took my trade here because of this movement, so therefore I won my trade. Okay, let me show you my second trade. I took my trade here. I lost a trade. I took my trade in a down direction, I think. Okay, I think I got here an ATM, and after this I took my trade with this candle because this was an engulf. So here I took my trade with this engulfing pattern and I won my trade here because the trend was an uptrend, and I lost one trade here because I was thinking that the next candle will go down because of this movement, but unfortunately because of the weak sellers market went up. So here I lost my trade. So let me tell you, here I took my trade here because of this pattern. This is your head and shoulder pattern. So because of this I took my trade and I won my trade, and I also missed one trade here with this candlestick. I took my trade with this new low and still there was a gap to the level, so this was the level, so therefore I won my trade here. Now after this I am going to tell you why I took my trade here. I took my trade here because you can see the market movement was like this. This was the level. This candle broke this level strongly and I took my trade here with the sellers. So this was a retracement candle and this was a pullback. So therefore now you can see again what I am seeing here. Let me show you here. We missed here another trade also because I was taking trades on different scenarios. Okay, so now you can see again a head and shoulder pattern, so therefore we won this trade because of the breakout strategy. Okay, so here I took my trade in a down direction. Why? Because overall the trend was a downtrend. Now you can see the next level was here, and now you can see exactly from this point still what I'm seeing here a strong candle. So can I trust this candle? Yes, I can easily trust this candle. Why? Because this candle still your movement of the market is a downwards. Now you can see at this area I am seeing here a strong seller's entry, and the next level is here, and as per the trend line next level is here. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction with this candle. So you will see the market will definitely go down and will close below our entry point for sure. So this is how you can take your trade lightning fast if you analyze the market properly. I just came in this pair and I analyzed the market and I took my trade here, and you can see I won my trade here. So if you like my video, okay, kindly share, subscribe and comment. And here you can see I took my trade in a down direction. This was a continuation sign. Again market went down because I analyzed the market properly. So therefore I got an ATM here. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now. So this will be my last OTC session of Saturday. So if you have any kind of queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye.